Okay. You ready? Kamay sa dibdib. Bakit? Okay.
Videoan niyo dito.
Where? Okay, ready ha? Ready? Where was the place where Yahshua walked on water? Okay, okay.
Once lang siya.
Wala, hindi ko narinig. Kasi.
Yun yung question.
What's the question?
Sige.
O sige, pabigyan. Okay, last. Ulitin daw ang question ha. Where was the place where Yahshua walked on water?
Nauna to.
Nauna siya. Na split second lang.
Wow! Hindi.
Galilee? Sure na?
Hindi, nabigyan niyo na yan. Ay, ako ko. Ano ba?
Okay, Galilee. O sige,